आपकी रीढ़ वक्त के साथ खराब हो रही है। अगर आप लंबे समय तक सिस्टम पर काम करते हैं या घंटों फोन चलाते हैं तो, क्योंकि ऐसे में आप अपनी स्पाइन को लंबे समय तक एक कर्व पोजीशन में रखते हैं, जिससे आपकी स्पाइन में एक आर्च आने लगता है। इससे आपका पोस्चर तो खराब होता ही है, साथ ही साथ आपकी बैक मसल्स भी वीक हो जाती हैं। तो ऐसे में करें तो करें क्या? मूवमेंट। आपको अपनी स्पाइन को मूव करने की जरूरत है। तो इसीलिए आज हमारे साथ हैं योगा आचार्य विजया जी, जो हमें ये बताएंगे कि ऐसी सिचुएशन में हमें कौन कौन सी मूवमेंट करनी चाहिए।
तो इसके लिए करेंगे हम कुछ ऐसे आसन जो हमारी बैक स्पाइन को स्ट्रेंथन करेंगे और बैक पेन को रिलीज करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले करेंगे हम सिटिंग फॉरवर्ड बेंड पश्चिमोत्तान आसन। स्ट्रेच योर लेग्स फॉरवर्ड, टोes flex towards the legs, back spine straight, chin stretching forward. Inhaling, stretch your hands, arms up, keep stretching up, keep lifting up. Exhaling forward and down, try to hold your toes. Keep stretching forward from the lower back. Gaze towards the toes, neck, chin stretching forward. Back is straight, keep coming forward from your lower back. Keep breathing. To release, stretch your hands, arms forward, up. Exhale, release your hands behind your back. Now get ready for the counter stretch. Push the palms down and lift your hips up, chest up, come up, tilt your head back. Try to touch the toes to the floor, body in a straight line. Exhale, release, come down, release the posture. Now we'll do the half spinal twist with stretching our legs forward. Sit comfortably straight, stretch your both legs forward, bend your right knee, right foot over the left knee, right arm behind your back, left arm up, twisting towards the right, hold the right ankle or wherever you feel comfortable. Keep looking back over the right shoulder. Try to bring your both shoulders in a straight line. Keep looking back. No support of your right hand. Relax breathing. Now to release the posture, inhaling, lift your left arm up. Look forward and release your arm down. Now the cat and cow posture. Come into tabletop position. Hands are under the shoulders, knees are under the hips. Look forward. Exhaling, chin down towards the chest and round your back. Nice round of your spine. Inhaling, look up and arch your spine. Keep arching, keep breathing. Once again, down towards the chest, round the back. Inhaling up, arch your back, look up, keep arching. Exhaling, release, release the posture. Now we'll do the cobra pose, the Bhujangasana. Relax in Makarasana. Lie down on your chest. Big toes are together, heels are apart. Now place your forehead on the mat, hands, palms under the shoulders. Legs and feet are together. Inhaling, head up, chest up, come up. Keep looking up, keep arching back. Keep breathing. Nice arch of your spine. To release the posture, exhaling, come down. Relax in Makarasana. Make pillow of your hands. This is the last asana, the bow posture, Dhanurasana. Forehead on the mat, bend the knees, hold the ankles. Right ankle with the right hand, left ankle with the left hand. Inhale, come up, head up, chest up, come up. Keep lifting your knees up. Keep lifting your body with holding the ankles, lifting the ankles. Feel the arch of your spine. To release, come down, release the ankles, forehead on the mat.
थैंक यू विजय जी, हमें हमारे व्यूअर्स को इन आसनास को सिखाने के लिए। और अगर आप भी ऐसे आसनास को करना चाहते हैं या योगा वेदांता के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो दिए गए इस नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए या फिर आप हमारी योगा वेदांता वेबसाइट भी विजिट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।